Hey everyone, so I'm updating you on my project polish. It's been a while and I have some progress. I haven't finished anything yet, but I feel like maybe by the next update I will. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in, but don't mind my nails because I definitely need to do them. So whatever nail polishes I pick, the lines on them are gonna go lower. I just wanted to film this before I painted them because then if I know I painted them, I'm not gonna film the video because it takes too long for my nails to dry. So let's jump in for the second time. So I haven't touched this nail polish at all. This is Sally Hansen Blue Blood. Haven't touched it. I said I wasn't really gonna touch it until the fall time, so that's just staying stagnant in my nail polish collection or my project polish, but everything else kind of does has progress. So this is the Urban Outfitters nail polish in a powder puff. I've had this in, and for a couple of updates I haven't been able to move the line because the bottle is so large, but this is where I started and this is kind of where I'm at now. It's a little bit above the line, but I mean it's finally below that black Sharpie line, so I'm glad I'm finally seeing progress. I do enjoy this color, so I'm gonna be really sad when I run out of it, but it seems like it's taking a long time because the bottle's just so wide, so you do get a lot of product. So I'm really enjoying this. I want to say I think this might be one of the colors I end up picking up for my next manicure. This is the Sinful Colors Ruby Ruby. This used to have a lot more lines, but they all kind of disappeared, so I was able to like track the last line, which is up to here, and this is where it is now. But I basically put this nail polish in when it was almost all the way full, so I've essentially worked through like 3/4 of the bottle and I only have a quarter left, and that's usually because like red polishes take like a good while to use up, but it's easy to use up just because you need so many layers. I do enjoy this. It's not my favorite red, but it is a blue tone red, which I do enjoy because I just feel like it brightens my skin compared to like yellow tone reds. So yeah, that's that one. This is the one that is having like steady progress this entire I guess rotation because it is a rolling project polish. This is the L'Oreal nail polish in Master Fair. So as you can see, this is where I put it in, and every update this is where it is now. It is very steady. It's what I have right now on my nails. I do feel like this looks better when I'm pale. I don't know why. I just feel like it brings out like the duochrome because it's more like the color's more uniform. Right now I just have a slight tan, but I know it's gonna like keep getting tanner. I know like in my face it doesn't reflect it, but I swear I have a little bit of a tan. Like I can see my tan lines on my butt. I'm gonna be really sad when this is when I run out of this. I don't know if they still have this, but it'll probably be a while until I repurchase it. I might just like kind of hold off on using it until again the fall/winter because I know like this is more of a fall and winter shade, but not like I really stay on trend with the seasons. But I really like this. I know Joyce, I think is her name, Joyce, she's also panning this. She does a project polish. I have to check what her name is because I can't think at the top of my head, but once I remember I will put it in the down bar below. This other one, this is going to be the next one that's gone. This is the Salon Perfect Gone Sailing. While I do really enjoy this color, it is a pain in my butt because like from the not even 24 hours after wearing this, it's not even a full 24 hours and this already chips. So I go through a lot of this because I'll have like one nail that chips, and then I'll have another nail chip, but the rest look fine, so I'll just redo that nail until like all of them kind of look janky. So that's why from like the last update I did like a giant jump, because for a while I was just constantly fixing the nails because I was just like I did not want to redo my entire manicure. I think I'm actually going to do this on my nails next, on my hand nails, just because it's a good summer color and just because I'm so sick and tired of this nail polish because it keeps chipping. Like I love the color, but I hate that like you look at it and there goes half your nail. So yeah, so hopefully this is done, and it should be done, and it is my goal for it to be done. This is the Sally Hansen Lacy Lilac. This is actually my second bottle of it. This is where I was at the intro, the last update, and this is where I am now. It's cute. I don't like it on my toes. I like it more on my nails. I don't know why. I think it just looks funny on my toes. I'm very particular with nail polish colors, as you will learn that in this video, but that's just me, and that's just how the cookie crumbles. But I do enjoy it. Sometimes I do put it on my toes, but like, it kind of has to be perfect when it's on my toes, because once it starts chipping, I feel like it doesn't look good, or it starts wearing down. But on my nails, I can have it for a lot longer. So that's my 2 cents on that. And the last nail polish I did add in the last update, and this is the Essie nail polish in Stitch by Stitch. This is such a beautiful color. I feel like it makes my toes look elegant. Like it always makes me look like elegant and classy looking. So this is where I was when I put it in, and this is where I am now. The bottle is kind of like a little weird, so the updates on these might be on this might be a little strange, just because it's like a weird twistiness to it, but nonetheless I like it, and you'll see progress. But that's gonna be all for my little update. I kind of been going like on a fast roll, because I am like trying to get as much done packing wise. I feel like I have packed up half of my clothes, but it's nowhere near like a fourth of my belongings, if that makes any sense. So I still have a long way to go. And usually like these videos or when I'm sleeping is a good little break of all of that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are doing a project polish, please let me know, because I feel like I need a little motivation, because right now on my toes I have a polish that's not in my project polish, and I mean, it's fine to venture out sometimes, but I mean that slows down your progress. So usually seeing other people's project polish videos helps me like keep on track. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!